Hey everyone. Welcome to my channel. If you're struggling with how to respond to Upwork client invitations, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll share multiple response variations that will help you grab the client's attention and increase your chances of getting hired. Let's dive in. Introducing response styles. When a client invites you to apply to their job, your response sets the tone for the conversation. You want to sound professional, confident, and approachable. Here are 5 effective ways to respond based on different tones and styles. Professional and polite. Thank you for the invitation. I'd love to learn more about your project and see how I can help. This is great when you want to keep it formal yet welcoming. Enthusiastic and engaging. I appreciate the invite. Your project sounds interesting, and I'd be happy to assist. Could you share more details? This response works well when you want to show excitement and curiosity. Confident and direct. Thanks for reaching out. With my expertise in your skill, I believe I can deliver great results. Let's discuss the details. This is perfect when you want to showcase your skills up front. Warm and friendly. Hi, client's name, thanks for inviting me. I'd love to collaborate and bring your vision to life. Let's chat about your needs. This adds a personal touch, making the client feel more connected to you. Curious and proactive. I'm excited about this opportunity. Could you tell me more about your requirements and expectations? This keeps the conversation open-ended and encourages the client to share more details. Final tips. Remember, your response should match the client's tone and project type. Also, keep it short, professional, and engaging. Avoid generic messages. Clients appreciate personalized replies. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more Upwork tips. Let me know in the comments which response style you like the most. See you in the next video.